Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional-looking restaurant logo for your restaurant, any hotel, or any business you have. So creating a restaurant logo in Canva is really easy, and within a few minutes, you can have a professional-looking logo for your restaurant. The best thing about Canva is that you can modify ready-made pre-templates created by professionals and creatives. So go to canva.com and create your own account. After creating your account, this is the interface you will see. In the search bar, just type in Restaurant Logo, and you will see many options. Just go to See All to view all restaurant pre-made templates. Scroll down to see the paid ones, but don't worry, you will find free versions as well. So just scroll down. You'll see there are a lot of options, and you can modify whichever one you like. This one looks good, and it's free, so I'll go with this one. Just click on whichever template you prefer, and then customize this template. You will get other options. Just customize the template however you like. After that, you can modify or change anything you want. For example, if you want to change the text, here is the font option. You can change the font, pick whatever you want. This is the option for resizing your text, changing color, and making the text bold, italic, underline, and strike through, and uppercase and lowercase. This is for aligning your paragraphs, and this is for making a list. This is for letter spacing and line spacing, and this is for transparency. This is for effects, and you can choose whichever effect you want. This is the curve option, like this. You can just play around. If you want to remove it here, you can remove it, but for now, it's good. Here is the Undo button, and this is for animation, but you don't need to animate your logo. This is the Position option. Whichever one you like, you can reposition it with one click. Similarly, you can play with this text using these features. Now, talking about the circle, just click on the circle. If you want to change the color, you can change it. And if you want to add a stroke, you can add it and make it round, like this. If you want to flip it, you can flip it. If you want to adjust the transparency, you can do this as well. If you want to position it, you can do that too. Speaking about this element, or you can just click on it. And if you want to replace the burger image or icon, go to the elements in the sidebar and search for burger. Go to the graphics, and now you can add your own burger as well from the Canva library. Like this, you can remove it and add your desired burger image like this, and just layer it back to front. If you want to add your own image from your PC, then go to the Uploads and upload it from your computer. Similarly, you can just click it like this and adjust your own image of food. That was a simple way. And before exporting, please check your logo once to make sure that everything is correct, in a good format, and ready to export. To export it, you can rename your file here. To download, go to the Share option. Then to the Download and select PNG. If you want it in any other format, you can download it as well. So just download it and your restaurant logo will be ready within a few minutes. It's really easy and time-saving, so just modify already made pre-templates in Canva. Your restaurant logo will be ready within a few minutes.